Welcome back, guys. Watching another episode of All Botello Outdoors. Well, decided to get up this morning, go hit up a small body of water. Probably head out to Hubbard, go fish some small lakes out there. It's a little bit windier than what I thought. I got the old John boat in the back of the truck. But I'm going to see what the bass are doing on the small bodies of water as opposed to the lakes. Surely they should be hidden by now. Probably the crappie are starting to pull and move up and spawn. I might, chunk a couple of crappie baits to see if I just want to get an idea of what's going on right now. Got up this morning, my truck says 9 and my phone says 10, so I guess I forgot to up the time in my truck. So we had that time change last night, so it's the beginning of spring, so hopefully I catch some today. It's been a while since my line has been stretched pretty good, so I'm due for it. So I'm gonna get out there, do a little bit of John boat fishing, and see if we can catch some good ones today. So stay with us and be on the water shortly. A little chilly and cloudy. Still got a north wind. So I'm gonna tie on some stuff. I might see if a few crappie are biting. I don't know. It's just, again, this is kind of a little bit of a recon to see what's going on. I don't know what I want to throw yet. Definitely might want to throw something small like that. Let's see. Cinco's out. Chunk that. We'll see. Let me get some stuff tied on, guys, and I'll get the casting. Up on one. I think it's a little bass. They want a little bait. I think they want a little bait. Oh man, he's a little fighter. Let's see if we can get him right here. It's a nice little buck bass. A little buck bass on a small bait. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Awesome. Man, he's kind of cold. I didn't even put the graph on or my hummingbird on the hooked up yet. I don't know how cold the water is, but I know it's been chomping on something. Look there, guys. Look how red his lips are. Huh. Maybe a pink color is the color to go with. Alright, well, I'm going to put him back in, and let's see if we can catch another one. Well, guys, I just lost one. I had one right over here. Took me in the grass. Let's see if I can get him to bite again. I'm going to go ahead and roll for a little bit. Chunk it in the same spot. It felt like a big one too. Dang it, it's not in the same spot. We got a point coming out right here and then a point over here to my left that's coming out. And then it's going into a creek that branches right here. I don't know if you can see in front of me. We got a creek that branches to the right and to the left, but we got a point right here and then a point right there. So I'm just kind of casting in the middle, seeing if anything is staging up. And man, I just had a bite that, oh my God, it was a big one, man, because the pole dug into my stomach. It's a nice little 4 or 5 pounder maybe. They're out here. I'm just in an awkward angle. Got another little buckaroo. Oh, that's a little guy. That's aquarium bass right there. Look at that. He hit me. Little bitty bass. Didn't even give me a fight. He's chomping on something too. Go back. Grow big. Grow big. That's the second one. Gosh, man, it's been slow. I have not been stacking them up like I thought I would. It seems like they want a small bait. I've been chunking a Cinco, but it's not working. I even downsized to a 4-inch and still nothing. I might have to go weightless. So, or I might throw something like a crawl or something. I don't know. I'm gonna dig in and try to come up with a different tactic. I was like, hit.
Where are they at? Right here?
Off the island, I think.
Yeah.
Should I anchor or no?
Drop
No.
it.
I think we should drift.
I don't know. Let's drop it. Let's fish this for a little bit.
Check it out, guys. Check it out.
Where's your stringer?
I got my basket right there. I don't know if I want to keep them.
I'll keep it. I got a couple crappie at the house.
Oh, shit.
Plate.
Here, hold it. I don't want to lose the spot.
Spotlight.
I wish I could. Hold on. Let me just go up. I think it's off the island. Look off that island.
Nice crappie, bro.
Well, let's see what we catch. If I get a few, I might take some to the to the tank. I don't know. I don't want no more crappie in. I want bass in it. One. Pill and drag. What is it, a bass? She's a good one. She's a good one, guys. She's a good one. She's pull and drag. Pull and drag. See her underwater. Oh, shoot. No, don't jump, bitch. Don't jump, bitch. Don't jump, bitch. Don't jump. Light line, light line. That's why she didn't fight that hard. It's a chunk. It's a chunk. They're on this flat, man.
Right at the top.
We're on top of this underwater island, man. That's barely hooked.
Yeah.
Barely hooked. Yep. It's I don't want to lose the spot again. I'm gonna go ahead and go straight towards those two posts. Those two posts on the bank. It's a nice one. Nice little chunk. Slablicious bait. Huh.
You want to go out to Pesco then?
I don't know. This one might go out to the ranch. This one might go out to the ranch. Yeah, I might as well, right? Put her in the basket. Yep, need some with some eggs. Introduce that Florida strand.
Your brother's all about if he's gonna get a spin cast, it's got to be light. It's got to be a light, what you call it, you know?
Pole like this.
Yeah. Me, I'm like, but it just depends on what I'm gonna use it for.
Yeah, these two, my other Daiwa with the Fuji or the Fenwick, those 3 rods are my rods for Hubbard.
This rod, you know what I could do? Smaller cranks, because it's a solid backbone. Here, feel that.
Well, yeah, I'm sure it feels just like. Yeah, it feels like this rod.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I use for weightless Cincos.
Yeah, weightless Cincos. If I want to throw away.
But I have it on 10-pound braid.
This is 12-pound fluoro.
So it's kind of similar. Where are them big girls at, dude? I think we catch more big bass on this lake during the winter.
Catch some good big ones during the spring and summer.
Middle of summer too, right?
Yeah, got some big chunks. Big 6-pounders.
Got another one, guys. Oh, little buckaroo. Off that flat. Off that flat. That's the second one I've caught this small. It'd be illegal to take you and put you in the Bananas pond. We're in the creek.
Got one.
Seriously? Well, I'm over here talking. I'm fixing.
Ah, he came on.
Dude, that was a good one. Yeah. I was just about to talk about the buzzards over here. Maybe we shouldn't be over here. They're waiting for us to die.
Yeah, that's what they're doing.
Just post it up. Check them out, guys. Was it on the Lion King? Simba, you must not go that way. You must not go that way to chase the bass. What do they call it on Lion King? The Great Valley? No. The Valley of Death?
Was it?
I don't know. I don't know what it was called. Something like that.
Elephant?
Yeah. The Elephant Graveyard.
Graveyard?
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, we're in the bass graveyard.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. There's like these two dumb fishermen waiting for one of us to.
That was a good one. Lost it.
Dude, it was right there.
Yeah. Lost it right here. It was at the top.
So we docked up to get all this stuff out. Well, day wasn't so that productive, but we caught some. Oh. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna get everything in the truck, get everything loaded up. And we're signing out. Bonix Fishing, Chris Albotello Outdoors.
Hey, check out my channel, guys. Ebonics Fishing.
Ebonics Fishing.
Yeah.
Check out. He's taking that black crappie home, but check out how dark that crappie is. Looks like it's getting ready to spawn. That's not where I hooked him. Was it?
I don't know where you hooked him. You sure?
Nah, I'm pretty sure I didn't hook him right there.
It had to be.
Wow,
There's no other hole.
I ripped him up that good.
There's no other hole, bro. Yeah, you ripped him up that good.
Huh. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry we didn't stack them in the boat like we thought we were, but it's coming. It's coming. So stay tuned to the next video. Until next time, we'll catch you on the water.